Welcome to another special episode of our Mandatory Mental Liberation series, produced by Baba Jalani Bhumani Dembe, the founder of Majestic Mind Matters University. I'm your royal narrator, Queen Magical Melanin, for this new episode titled, Our Melanin-Rich Culture Certified Strategies, Ensuring Legal Clarity. The necessity of the Mandatory Mental Liberation series at Majestic Mind Matters University lies in our focus on serving our melanin-rich culture community. By addressing the importance of knowledge of self to produce greater self-awareness and advocating for our mental liberation, especially for our precious melanin-rich culture children, our messages aim to combat the enduring effects of generational mental enslavement stemming from the historical trauma of the chattel enslavement of the ancestors. Our initiative seeks to empower us to break free from these harmful and unfavorable legacies and cultivate a deep-rooted sense of self-identity and unwavering resilience. Our melanin is the rich pigment that gives tones to our glorious skin, our amazing hair, and our remarkable eyes. It is responsible for the varying shades of beautiful skin tones in our melanin-rich culture people. In the context of reclaiming our cultural heritage, we readily accept, embrace, and celebrate our natural skin tones to connect with our ancestral roots and reject the standards of beauty that have historically favored white skin. By embracing our melanin-rich skin, we affirm our identity and promote self-love and acceptance within our own melanin-rich culture community. In the realm of legal matters, communication is key. It is essential to ensure that all parties involved are on the same page and that crucial information is conveyed clearly and efficiently. In this regard, the use of certified mail and emails can be invaluable tools for ensuring that important documents, notices, and correspondence are sent and received in a formal and legally binding manner. One of the primary reasons why sending certified mail and emails is crucial in legal matters is the necessity for proof of communication. Certified mail provides a physical record of sending and receiving important documents or notices, ensuring that there is a documented trail of the correspondence being exchanged. In legal disputes or contractual agreements, having this proof can be essential for establishing timelines, deadlines, and obligations between parties. Without this proof, it can be challenging to prove that communication occurred or was received in a timely manner. Moreover, in many legal situations, sending certified mail may be a legal requirement. For example, in the case of serving legal notices or documents, such as eviction notices or court summons, certified mail is often mandatory for documentation and proof of notification. Failure to comply with these requirements can lead to legal consequences and complications down the line. Therefore, it is imperative to adhere to these legal protocols and ensure that communication is conducted in the proper manner. Another key benefit of using certified mail and emails in legal matters is the ability to establish a clear timestamp of when communication was sent. This timestamp can be crucial for determining deadlines, responses, and legal obligations, especially in situations where timing is of the essence. By having this timestamp, all parties involved can be held accountable for their communication, ensuring that there is a transparent record of important conversations and correspondence. Additionally, sending certified mail offers a level of security and tracking that regular mail does not provide. This added security can help ensure that important legal documents reach their intended recipients without being lost or intercepted along the way. Furthermore, the requirement for a signature upon delivery with certified mail provides confirmation that the recipient has received the documents, which can be crucial in legal matters where proof of receipt is necessary. Moreover, maintaining a paper trail of all communication, both physical and electronic, is essential in legal proceedings. Having this documented trail can demonstrate compliance with legal requirements and agreements, as well as provide a foundation for building a case or defending against claims. This paper trail can serve as evidence to support one's position and protect their legal interests. Sending certified mail and emails in legal matters demonstrates professionalism and seriousness. It shows that you are taking the necessary steps to ensure that your communication is formal, legally binding, and properly documented. This professionalism can go a long way in establishing credibility and trustworthiness in legal matters, which can be crucial for achieving a positive outcome. The use of certified mail and emails in legal matters is essential for providing proof of communication, meeting legal requirements, establishing a timestamp, ensuring accountability, maintaining security, confirming receipt, creating a paper trail, and demonstrating professionalism. By utilizing these tools, individuals can navigate legal proceedings with confidence and integrity, knowing that their communication is legally valid and securely documented. In the era of online shopping and communication, tracking numbers have become an essential tool to ensure the safe delivery of important items, such as certified mail. When disputing the receipt of certified mail, verifying the tracking number provided by the sender is crucial to determine whether the mail was delivered to the correct address and recipient. This process involves careful examination of the tracking information to pinpoint any discrepancies and provide concrete evidence in support of your claim. To begin the verification process, it is essential to obtain the tracking number from the sender of the certified mail. The tracking number is a unique alphanumeric code assigned to each package or mail item being sent through a postal service or courier company. This tracking number serves as a digital footprint that can be used to trace the movements and delivery status of the mail piece. Once you have the tracking number in hand, you can start to investigate the delivery history of the certified mail. The next step is to visit the website of the postal service or courier company that was used to send the certified mail. Most postal services and courier companies have a tracking tool on their website that allows customers to enter the tracking number and view the status of their mail item. By entering the tracking number into the designated field on the website, you can access detailed information about the delivery progress of the certified mail, including the date and time of delivery, the delivery location, and the recipient's name. As you review the tracking information, pay close attention to the delivery address and recipient's name to ensure that they match the information provided by the sender. If there are any discrepancies in the delivery details, such as an incorrect address or a misspelled recipient's name, this could be a red flag indicating that the mail was not delivered to the intended recipient. In such cases, it is important to bring these discrepancies to the attention of the sender and the postal service or courier company to initiate an investigation into the matter. In addition to verifying the delivery details, it is also important to check the delivery status of the certified mail. The tracking information will indicate whether the mail was successfully delivered, attempted for delivery but unsuccessful, or undeliverable for any reason. If the tracking information shows that the certified mail was delivered, but you did not receive it, this could suggest that the mail was misdelivered or stolen. In such situations, it is important to report the missing mail to the postal service or courier company as soon as possible to initiate a search for the lost item. Furthermore, if the tracking information shows that the certified mail was undeliverable, this could indicate that there was an issue with the address or recipient's information provided by the sender. In such cases, it is important to contact the sender to confirm the correct delivery details and request for a redelivery of the mail item. By taking these prompt actions, you can prevent any further delays or complications in receiving the certified mail. Verifying the tracking number provided by the sender is an essential step in disputing the receipt of certified mail. By carefully examining the tracking information, you can determine whether the mail was delivered to the correct address and recipient. If there are any discrepancies or issues with the delivery details, it is important to communicate with the sender and the postal service or courier company to resolve the matter promptly. By taking these proactive measures, you can ensure the safe and timely delivery of your certified mail. In the realm of legal proceedings, having a clear record of communication is paramount. Communication is at the heart of any legal matter, with agreements, disagreements, and negotiations all relying heavily on what was said, when it was said, and by whom. A clear and accurate record of these communications can provide concrete evidence of what was said or agreed upon, serving as proof in court and helping to prevent misunderstandings or disputes about the terms of an agreement. Without a clear record of communication, legal proceedings can devolve into a he said, she said scenario, where parties may disagree on what was discussed or agreed upon. This lack of clarity can lead to confusion, misunderstandings, and ultimately legal disputes that can be costly, time-consuming, and emotionally draining for all involved. By having a clear record of communication, parties can refer back to specific conversations, emails, or documents to clarify what was said, agreed upon, or disputed. Furthermore, having a clear record of communication can help protect individuals or organizations from potential legal liability. In the event of a disagreement or dispute, having documentation to support one's position can be crucial in proving one's case in court. Without this documentation, parties may struggle to prove their claims or defend themselves against baseless accusations. By maintaining a clear record of communication, individuals and organizations can protect themselves from legal liability and ensure that they have evidence to support their position in case of any legal disputes. In legal proceedings, documentation can also help establish a timeline of events and show a pattern of behavior. This can be crucial in cases where a series of events has led to a legal dispute, as it can help to establish the sequence of events and shed light on the actions of all parties involved. A clear record of communication can also support or refute claims made by either party, helping to establish the facts of the case and support arguments based on evidence. Moreover, having a clear record of communication can help ensure that all parties are held accountable for their actions. By documenting all communications, parties are more likely to be honest, transparent, and responsible in their dealings with others. This accountability can help to prevent misconduct, fraud, or unethical behavior, as parties are aware that their communications are being recorded and can be used as evidence in legal proceedings. This accountability can ultimately help to ensure that justice is served and that all parties are held to the same standards of conduct. In conclusion, having a clear record of communication is crucial in legal proceedings for a variety of reasons. It provides concrete evidence of what was said or agreed upon, helps to prevent misunderstandings or disputes, protects individuals or organizations from legal liability, establishes a timeline of events, supports or refutes claims, and ensures that all parties are held accountable for their actions. By maintaining a clear record of communication, individuals and organizations can navigate legal matters more effectively, support their arguments with evidence, and ultimately achieve a fair and just outcome in their legal proceedings. I'm your royal narrator, Queen Magical Melanin. We trust that you have expanded your understanding through the insights shared by Baba Jelani Bhumani Dembe, founder of Majestic Mind Matters University, in our Mandatory Mental Liberation Series special message titled, Our Melanin-Rich Culture Certified Strategies, Ensuring Legal Clarity. Remember this, it is essential to honor the ancestors. We have a unique connection to the ancestors. They endured many unwarranted struggles, preserved our melanin-rich culture, and passed down invaluable wisdom through many generations. By honoring the ancestors, we pay honorable tribute to our roots and draw great strength and much-needed inspiration from the unwavering resilience and royal legacy that has paved the way for our present and future generations. Ancestral reverence is a powerful way for us to continually uphold our own melanin-rich identity, heritage, and cultural legacy. Here is an ancient Alkebulan proverb to keep in mind. If you think you are too small to make a difference, you have not spent the night with a mosquito. Remember this as well, whenever you are in the presence of anyone, saying, they don't see color, it actually means, they don't see you. As a member of our melanin-rich culture, you must strive for knowledge of self for greater personal awareness. Always treat yourself kindly and seek to live a totally awesome and gloriously fulfilling melanin-rich culture life. So, like, subscribe, and share this very special melanin-rich culture link with everyone that you care about and that really cares about you and all of yours as well, and thank you for listening. Ashe.